friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So today I'm going to show you that how to use sheet mask, mini facial,
So guys, you can say that this is mini facial. You can do at your home by own. So now second we are using scrub. Take it on your fingertip and apply on your full face. Massage it gently and use your fingertip only. For 3 to 4 minutes. Wash your face and wipe with a clean and gentle towel. So now the next step is toner. We are going to spray on full face. Wait for 5 minutes. And now we are using the sheet mask. This is Kaya Youth sheet mask. You can take anyone which suits you better. This is so good, so refreshing. Take it out and stick it on your face nicely. It has moisture. Stick it properly. Am I a ghost?
Okay, now remove it and you can see the moisture on my face. This is so good. I am feeling so refreshed and I love it. Massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and leave it on your face like this only. So guys, we are done for today. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And till the time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.